What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll show you how to get Burst of Life skin in Kingshot. So you might be wondering how to exactly get this skin here in Kingshot. Well, this one is actually kind of tricky because you need to reach a specific number of power here in order for you to get it. So just to give you an idea, let's go to the world map at the bottom right here, and let's go and click on my city, and let's go and click on skins. Now, usually in the CD section at the very bottom, right here, you should see the Burst of Life skin. Now, in order to obtain this, let's go ahead and click on Obtain. You want to go to the Burst of Life event here. Now, typically, in order for you to get the Burst of Life skin, you need to reach at least 4,000 or 4 million power here. So in this case, you need to basically increase or upgrade your buildings, train your troops here in order for you to get that specific power here. But to be speaking, once you get the 4 million requirement here, usually the Burst of Life skin will be awarded to you. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.